Welcome to Group 5 Podcast, where we explore how gaming affects academic productivity. In this podcast, we'll dive into the impacts of gaming on focus, motivation, and overall performance in school. From cognitive benefits to potential distractions, we'll break it all down and see how gaming fits into the academic world. Before we start, I'd like to say thank you guys for joining us here. So now, let's go.
Hello, this is our podcast. My name is Joshua Espiritu.
Gindanay.
Ledrickson Barf.
Justin Arane.
And my name is Rafael Glendale Greda, and today we're going to talk about the effects of online gaming to a student's academic productivity.
Okay, so first of all, who here plays online games?
Me.
How often?
At least 5 to 8 hours.
A day?
Yes.
How about you?
5 hours. More than 5 hours.
A day as well?
Yeah. 1 hour maximum.
Well, that's.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
My mom will beat me,
That's
bro.
suspicious. What do you call about? How about the times that you play in in the middle of our class? For instance? I'm pretty sure that isn't an hour, is it?
But you know,
Someone's lying.
it's only for 1 hour, bro. 1 hour maximum.
You're always the one he plays with. True?
Not me, bro.
Wait, okay.
He plays alone every time.
Take a look. Wait, I don't play. I play with you.
But you slack off.
No.
Big day. You do.
Hell no.
This guy plays.
Okay,
Very
Hendrickson. Don't you play with him every single time? Is it always just 1 hour?
Yes. Recess time.
1 hour?
Yeah.
30
1
minutes.
hour.
1 hour?
No.
No. 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
No, bro.
Recess
1
time.
hour, bro.
Only
We
30
only play on
minutes.
Our recess time is 1 hour? Wow.
No.
Yeah.
Maji lying, Maji
No,
lying.
he
July.
plays for 1 hour. Whenever, bro.
Oh,
Whenever.
yeah.
class
Okay,
starts.
bro.
I'm pretty sure it's
I
more than
bro.
1 hour,
I
okay?
play on class, bro. I play while on class, bro.
The English. Okay, how about you, Trinidad?
I play for more than, 3 hours a day. That's
Mhm.
my
Actually, I think that's accurate.
14 hours.
No.
Yeah, that's
no
more than
hours.
3. That's technically more than 3 hours. You
No,
said
but-
more than 3 hours.
That depends on my motivation, but
You need motivation to play online games.
even I get tired.
14
I can't believe my G needs motivation to play
That was
online.
the only time I've ever played for more than half a day.
More than a day. Are you
You're lying, guys.
I'm not lying, bro.
You're sure about that?
I'm
That's the only time I've ever played for more than half a day.
What the Rizzler?
Don't, please don't. Okay. So, personally, I play at least 1 hour as well. But these days, I don't actually play online games that much because I'm actually kind of more on leaning on reading manga and stuff. So yeah,
Mhm.
that's sadly the sad part for me. Like literally, all of my skill in games have gone down, bro. I'm just getting killed on sight in every single game, bro. Every single game.
Damn, bro. I suck at every game.
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah, I wonder what he said. Do you know what he said? Don't I
said-
wanted to explore it?
He likes.
Subscribe if you hear my
You're right.
He said we like points.
Yes, that's actually what I heard. Right. It's an agreement.
Ah.
Your girlfriend's gonna be sad about that. We now have evidence. You nodded with us.
What girlfriend?
Oh. When you use this video, you're dead. You're dead. Okay, so let's go to the next question. What are your experiences with online games when it comes to its connection with academic productivity?
For me, it's bad, bro.
Okay, can you specify on
My
that?
grades get lower, bro. Like, my goal is to have merit, right? I didn't get my merit last year because of the freaking online games.
You mean like merit award?
Yeah, the merit award. I
Okay,
lost
for the
it.
viewers, can you tell us what's the necessity to have a merit award in our school?
There's like a big achievement on the game, and then yeah, it's so hard. So I played like 10 hours a day.
Wait, you didn't answer my question though. What is the necessary requirements for us to get merit award in
I
our school?
think-
Can you tell the viewers please?
I think it's Basically-
five and six.
Yeah, bro.
Not going.
It's to
Below
maintain a
five.
5 to 6 consistent on every quarter and no absences
Yeah,
Yeah, bro, I'm
whatsoever.
smart, bro. I'm smart.
Yes,
I'm
technically
in.
for you guys, that's 90 plus always. That's kind of the requirement.
Let's.
Yeah. So, okay. So what's the reason again? Can you repeat what happened?
Because I'm trying to achieve achieve something on the game, so I play 10 hours a day.
How's that even possible?
You don't have to sleep, bro.
Bro, you said 1 hour maximum.
Oh
You
yeah,
said 10 hours
we
a
forgot
day.
about that. Where's the 10 hours? He forgot
He
the
changed.
zero. He forgot the zero.
I'm
Yeah,
very
bro,
bro.
people change, bro. People change.
Will change.
And then, yeah, I lost my merit to work because of the game.
Okay. How about you? Okay, how about you? Because he's eating.
Pretty bad.
Pretty bad.
Mm.
Okay, why?
Because there's like a time na keep playing. Like, I never study at all. Even
That's true, guys. It doesn't
contribute to
It
the
can be
IPBA.
confirmed.
Yeah. I didn't contribute to my IPBA and didn't answer my open assessment. And my grades lowered. Lowered.
No word. No word.
Yeah.
How much? By how much? Like what grade did you get?
4.
4?
Or to, I mean, I help naman, I do help in IPBA, but not often.
Oh, so
Never
like,
often.
if I'm correct, 4 is like 75 to 80, right?
My grades are 4 and 5.
So it's not that bad, I guess. Considering that you didn't, you said you didn't do OAs or open assessments.
Some always. Some.
Okay, so since you didn't do that, for you to get a 4 and a 5, that's not bad. It means you did well in IPB, I guess, right? In the bright side. In the bright side. Yeah. It's suggested that you
Now-
skip school for online games.
No
right?
merit though.
Yeah.
No, it's not suggested. It's not. Okay, so how about anyone else?
What about you, Rafael?
We target the one at the last.
Me, kind of okay, except for the part where my leader always
Always.
always pressures me to do the IPBA very quickly when he knows that I have a schedule as well. But generally, my experience with online games is kind of okay, to say the least. I never actually get punished for playing online games because I do keep my studies very diligently.
Diligent. Okay. Yeah, I can confirm. I do sometimes pressure him. Okay, he a good student. Okay, he gets always most participation in the school group, more than me probably. So yeah. Okay, so how about you? Before I talk about my experiences.
Okay, my
He can play games no more because of his girlfriend.
hell yeah, bro. But my experience was pretty decent. I can manage my time and games.
Are you sure about that?
Hell yeah, bro.
Are you sure about that?
Hell yeah, bro.
Are you sure?
I never got 4 below grades because of games, but I still have not gotten below 4. So I have my merit since grade 7.
Oh, so he got married since grade 7. Nice. Actually, from my experiences, I don't actually have that much experiences when it comes to high school, when it comes to online games. But I do have a ton of experience with online games and its effect on my grades. On the time I was in LM, because there was a time I got literally grade 6, and that was in a school that grades it, not 6 as good, but 6 as like 60. So just because I played online games again and again and again, I literally just forgot about the IPBAs or the performance task. Like there was even one quarter I didn't know there was a performance task at all. The teacher, just on the due date, the teacher said, "Joshua, where's your task?" I was like, "What task? What task?" So yeah, and then yeah, let's just say my mom was very very happy to beat me
Yeah.
for that. To beat me for
Wait, you
that.
have no dad?
I have a
Hey, yo!
I have a hey yo. yo, chill, chill, dude, chill. I know about that. It's just my mom's the stricter one. Okay, she's the strictest. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Personally, do you think online games can help you with improving academic productivity?
I guess on jobs. Jobs.
What
Yeah,
jobs?
jobs.
We're still student. What do you mean jobs?
I'm thinking for the future, bro.
For me, yes and no.
Okay.
Because
You're so sleepy.
Okay, personally, do you think online games can help with improving academic productivity?
Nah.
yes and same answer. Yes and no. I think it can help me reduce stress and it makes me wanna
You can do it
like how do you say this? It can help you reduce stress and keep you moving forward.
This is gonna be a motivational speech, bro.
Why you moaning, bro?
Okay, then I guess you think about yours. We go to you.
For me, main some games have a educational game, so where you can learn things,
Like
but
the
like
the coding.
yeah, and like science, you know.
Yeah, there is
The
ano,
HTML.
yeah, for our EGs in science, there are games that we use to study science, so it helps with us.
Yeah, but there's a bad side where you can be addicted to some games where it can lead you to have a bad grades and not to focus on your studies.
I think personally for me, I think it's kind of optional, but I lean towards more of the no part. Since, for example, the studies that you said, the games that you talked about, most of them are offline, so they aren't actually online games. But most of the online games are more of on the play style or the ones that get you addicted. For example, Mobile Legends, COD M, those types of online games are normally the most famous one and most of the time used. So I think it's more of there's a higher chance of you having a lower productivity if you play online games compared to when you do play, compared to it helping. So yeah. How about you guys? There at the point, at the dulo.
I don't think I can help much based on my experience. Generally because whenever I do play online games, it reduces stress, but more than that, it reduces my attention span whenever I'm actually listening into studies. There was this one time I did play online games for a very, very long time. And all I had was that thought whenever I got home. I didn't try to study at all. I didn't answer anything. Generally, it was bad. I don't see online games as a way to help you in your academic productivity at all.
Yeah, I know the feeling that like the moment you get home, you literally just play with your friends out after school. And yet, after you go home, you literally want to play online games immediately. You don't do your assignments, you don't think about it. You're just like, oh, I'll just play 1 hour of online games and then later do you know, it's night time, right? Oh, how about you?
For me, doesn't really help me that much. Because I think all of the games is very addicting to it doesn't really help me. Just distract me.
Okay. So, personally, what opinion do you have, or overall opinion do you have on online games for you guys? Is there anything else you want to add? Or have you ever seen a case where online games have actually been helpful? Stop moaning, bro. Chill.
Personally, I haven't seen a case where online games have really helped a person be more academically productive.
So, how about you? Do you now know your answer? Do you now know your answer? Okay, then I guess we completely skipped that.
Idiot.
Okay, so I think that's more than enough for our recording. Thanks. Now let's go to the interviews.